Hi, party people. Welcome to Vfix Technology. Today, we're going to upgrade the Bagisto version from 2.x to 2.3, which is the latest one, right? I got a comment of a subscriber, if you see that on one of my video, and this guy is asking how to set the latest version without losing the data. So this could be a great idea. I thought, why not? Let's make the video. Anyway, so let's see how it could be done. I have a local project. Literally, I had to take this project from online to offline just to show you how it works. If you see that, I'm in the admin panel and the version is 2.2.3. Now we're going to make it 2. Instead of 2.2, we're going to make it 2.3. Let's see how it works. Matter of fact, I wrote a complete blog. If you see that, I'm going to add the blog link, and this blog explains how it works with step by step, right? So there are 10 steps. If you follow them, if you even know nothing about Bagisto, I'm positive you can successfully do that. One disclaimer: whenever you upgrade the version of Bagisto, I highlighted that if you have made some customization or created your own package, installed third-party package, they might not come with the latest version, right? They will be gone. Only thing you're gonna get only Bagisto's first-party packages, right? And of course, you're gonna get all the data, your product, your orders, and everything. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So if you see that blog, the very first step is you have to take the backup, a complete backup, the skeleton plus the database. In case if any situation happens, at least we can go back, right? Second step, you want to download the Bagisto. Here's the link, you click on it, and this is the GitHub for Bagisto. You can download directly from here, right? Once you download, you have to extract that. So I'm gonna come here. Let me copy this Bagisto. I already downloaded that. On the desktop, I'm gonna make a folder Bagisto upgrade. Let me paste it. Now, once the Bagisto is extracted here, we're gonna fix the env. That's the step number 3. Let me close these extra folders and we're going to focus on the steps. Now, step 3 is create a database and upload your existing database to this new database, which we just created. Just let's keep the thing separate, right? So let me go ahead and make sure I have created a database. I'm going to open my PHP myadmin, and I already created a database and uploaded that from the online website. So keep in mind, this is the new database Jitanshi 2, and I uploaded the existing website complete database here. This is how it's going to go. Now we're going to open the new source code and go to the env file, and env, let me close this thing first, the old code, and we're going to open the latest one, right? Okay, perfect. So first thing first, the env is not here. So we're going to make env example 2. Let's make it env.env. And inside env, you're going to put your database credentials. Let me set the port, my currency. Something went wrong. Let me reopen it. Okay, so I'm going to set up the currency, all the credentials, whatever you have, and the port, and the major, most important, the database name. My database name is Tansi2. Default, the username remains root and the password is blank. And also, I want you, if you have some other details, anything like SMTP, you can set it right here, right now. Once you set it up, save the file. Third part is done. Let's go to the part number 4. You have to Set up. Oh, third part was my bad. Just create a database and upload it. And the part number 4 is just to add your database credentials, which we already did. Now, part number 5, step 5, we're gonna run this command, composer create project, right? So let me run it. In the open CLI, we're gonna go ahead and composer create project. What it does, it install the dependencies. It'll take few seconds. I may fast forward the video. Okay, perfect. All the dependencies got installed. Now we're gonna see the next step is to optimize the code. PHP artisan optimize. It's gonna clear config cache events, everything. Then once it's done, we're gonna run the migration part. So if there are new tables in the code, it should migrate to the new database, right? This is how it works, and we will have the latest version of Bagisto. So let me go ahead and run the migration. Then the next part is that you're going to restore your media. Website is updated, but you might not find the existing images because we have the latest source code, and that source code does not have our storage folder. And the storage folder has the images and the banners and whatever we uploaded, right? So we're going to go to the old website. Then we go to the project, go to the old one and copy the from the old source code, copy this storage folder, literally copy like this, and come to the latest code, open 2.3, and I'm gonna remove this one, right? And paste the old storage folder, which has all the images and required files, banners, product images, or any images, right? Okay, perfect. The files got copied. And the next step, step number 9, is to be link the storage for symlinks, right? I'm going to come to the source, to the folder right here and run this command. Let me copy. PHP artisan storage link, symlinks supposed to be done. And the final and the last command, PHP artisan vendor publish. It's going to publish all the vendors. And the job is done. Let's go ahead and check it out how the website looks like. PHP artisan serve. And let's refresh from 2.2 to 2.3. Now it is going to ask me the admin credential. Everything remains same, guys, since we have the same database. So let me log in as an admin. Okay, perfect. So we got successfully logged in, and as you can see the stats, we have all the data as it was before. I can see the data, the visitors, and all the details. Let's check the version on the right top corner. And now you see that 2.3, right? So this is how we can upgrade a Bagisto from older version to the latest version. And you see, we did not lose anything. We have all the product and the visitor details. And if I show, I might not show you the sales because this was an ongoing website, but yes, I can show you the products. So everything remains same. We successfully upgraded Bagisto from older version to the latest version. All the pictures are there and all the orders are there. Everything is same. Just one quick tip here. I did not get extra packages that I installed, like my payment gateway or any customization, whatever I had, that is gone. That won't be shown. So I might reinstall any third-party package, and I'm the boss. It should work as it's supposed to be. If I speak in layman language, simply extract the code from Bagisto Official, add your old database and migrate and make it happen, and it should work, right? Guys, it takes a whole lot of time. Literally, I have to skip my work just to get these videos done for you folks. If you like this video, right, it's gonna be a great motivation for me. And 95% of my audience, they never subscribe my channel. I would highly encourage, if you do that, that would be a great motivation. And that's all for today. I'm gonna see you the next time. Thank you.